One of the things many of my patients ask me about is how they can do a fast or a cleanse. And so one of the things that we oftentimes recommend in Chinese medicine is not fasting, but a very, very simple diet. And so we have a thing called a congee, or less appealing sounding, a rice gruel. What we do is we get brown rice, and we'll put a cup of brown rice to 8 to 10 cups of water and cook it for about 3 hours, just over a low simmer the way you would normally any other pot of rice, but with much, much, much more water. We can add to that some very simple things that are easy on our digestion. One favorite that we like to add to it is some ginger, and we can add just a couple of pieces of small chopped up ginger. If you're trying to detoxify or mung beans. And so we just throw that right on in with our 8 to 10 cups of water and our cup of rice, put about a half a cup of mung beans in there, and we can eat that actually for our meals throughout the day, and it provides us enough nutrients to keep our qi alive, but simple enough that our digestion doesn't have to work too hard, and we can slowly and quietly cleanse our body whilst providing nutrients for our bodily functions.